In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contracts in GoHighLevel, better than DocuSign. We're building a complete, signable contract from a PDF you already have, and we'll do it entirely inside your GoHighLevel sub-account. This process is fast, professional, and keeps everything tied to your contacts and payments. First, open your sub-account and head straight to Payments. This is where GoHighLevel organizes billing and contract tools for each account. So make sure you're in the correct sub-account before you continue. Inside Payments, look for Documents and Contracts and open it. This is the workspace where you'll upload, prepare, and send your agreements. Now let's bring in your contract. Click the New button in the top right. Then choose Upload Existing PDFs. Select your pre-made contract in PDF format. It helps if your PDF is final and clean. No track changes, clear headings, and the exact pages you want your client to sign. Around this point, if you need it, you'll find the official GoHighLevel link at the very top of the description, so you can log in or create your account and follow along. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see a left panel with the fields you can add. Drag a signature field to every place a signature is required. Then add a date field next to the signature line if your agreement needs it. Use text field for details like name, email, title, company, or any custom entry. If your agreement requires acknowledgements, drag in a checkbox or an initials field exactly where those need to go. Place each field carefully over the right spot on the page. Make the fields wide enough for long names, and align them so they look tidy and professional. This keeps the signing experience smooth for your client. Next, assign who will complete each field. Click each field you placed, then assign it to the contact, the client who will be signing. Assignment ensures the right person sees the right fields and prevents editing by anyone else. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give your contract a clear name so you can find it later without confusion, especially if you manage multiple versions. Finally, send the contract. Click Send, choose your contact, and decide whether to send it via email or share a direct link. Either option works, just pick what your client prefers. After sending, your contact will be able to review, fill in the fields you placed, and sign securely. That's it. You've created and sent a contract in GoHighLevel. Clean, simple, and ready for signatures. Thanks for watching.